What's going on YouTube? It's your boy The Vintage, back on the video, man. As you seen by the title, you already know why we here, man. You already see what we about to talk about. A little discussion, a little rant, you know what I'm saying? Just to give a little bit of my feedback on it. Before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, of course. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you always on top of the videos that I drop. Also, follow me on Instagram at The Vintage World. I put a little snapshot right here. Make sure you go subscribe and make sure you follow me on IG, man. These are two platforms I'm on all the time, man. So y'all make sure I do that. But with all that being said, we're gonna get right into the video, man. Let's get it. With this video today, as you seen by the title, we'll be talking about these Air Jordan 12 Bulls or Gym Red, whatever you want to call these joints. Like I said in the title, if I put it there, they trash, man. They just like the deep royal blues, but all red. But the material to me looks very, very like subpar, very trash. It looked like they threw this Black Friday release together, and then they got a retailer for $190, which hopefully next year they go down on retail, but you never know. Jordan Brand, it might keep going up and up, because I haven't seen one drop in retail since, no retail drops. You know what I'm saying? It's just been going up and up. So hopefully we see one next year, man. But these right here were definitely, I'm putting this on the record right now, these will be sitting all Black Friday. They're kind of remind you of the Air Jordan 3 True Blues that came out Black Friday last year for $220. We got this terrible leather quality on the shoe. As I went, I did a video, I did a pickup video of these, and I was just telling people, like, the quality on these is terrible when you compare it to some of the other Jordans are released, like the Black Cement 3s. Like, the quality on the Black Cement 3s are killing these right here, you know what I'm saying? But I wanted to get some of y'all feedback on how y'all feel about these past Black Friday releases. Like I said, you got these Air Jordan 12 Gym Reds, which I feel like they threw together, and I feel like they should keep them, you know what I'm saying? At least they could have maybe boosted the meaning behind the shoe up. I thought they were gonna call them Bulls, but they ended up calling them Gym Reds, and it's just like, the quality doesn't look that good. It looks kind of like a reptile skin or something, like a snake skin, but it's just terrible. You know it's not good quality shoe, you feel me? Until I see them in hand and actually, like, it might change my mind, but looking at it on videos and looking on pictures and people having them early and stuff, I'm not impressed at all, man, not at all. It's like I said, a thrown together Black Friday release like we've seen with these Air Jordan 3 True Blues. And that's pretty much what it is, you know what I'm saying? Jordan Brand trying to stay on top of their releases, but then again, they gotta think about what they putting out. They can't just be putting out no bullshit, you know what I'm saying? These gonna be hitting outlets. A lot of people probably gonna cop them, probably the hoop in, or probably cop them for sale for like under $100. That's the only way I would cop this Black Friday release. Today I also want to kind of talk about some of the past Black Friday releases. As you see, we got these right here. We got the Aqua 8s that released in 2015, and in 2014 you had the, 2014 I remember, you had the Black Infrared 6 to put a picture up right here, man. Those are fire. I like those. I like the Aqua 8s. I didn't cop them because I knew it was gonna go hit the outlets, and I still don't got them. I know I can cop them for under retail now, but just not a shoe that I need right now. I will drop a video later on explaining like what shoes I'm looking for, and maybe not copping no more Jordans this year, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, those Aqua 8s, you had Infrared 6s, you had these bad boys in 2017 or 2016, and in 2017 you had these bad boys right here, man. I'm very impressed with this one. This one was like not a thrown together colorway. I feel like everything went together. The Jumpman with the outsole, and then that navy blue just looked hard with that icy blue sole, you know what I'm saying? And this was a fire. This is probably the best, or one of the best Black Friday releases, the ones I pointed out, besides the Black Infrared 6s, because I still looking for those, and I still want those. I'm just not trying to spend that resale, man. I think they're going for like $400 or $500 for my size. And like I said, I can wait on until next year, because you know the Air Jordan 6 Black Infrareds are dropping in 2019, which everybody's excited for in the sneaker community. I know a lot of people took an L just like I did. But back in 2014, man, I didn't have no money for no shoes, you know what I'm saying? But this year, or next year, when they drop, I'm definitely copping a pair, you feel me? But yeah, so you had these are the only Black Friday releases I had back. If you go back to 2014, only got these two. And these Gym Reds are a big pass for me, man. Y'all can keep them, Jordan Brand, because I'm not feeling it. Like I said, quality looks trash, bro. I want to know y'all's opinions in the comment section below about this Air Jordan 12 Gym Red / Bulls. You're going to get them, you're going to customize them, you're going to get them to hoop in, or you're going to get them to rock, you know what I'm saying? Maybe it might change my mind when I go check them out on Friday in my local kicks. Maybe I might copy, feel me? But right now, looking at early videos, looking at early pairs, I'm not feeling them, bro. So in my eyes, you guys, this Air Jordan 12 Gym Red has to be by far one of the worst Black Friday releases to drop, man. It gotta be. Like, y'all let me know if I'm mistaken or missing out a couple of past Black Friday releases, but I'm pretty sure this one right now is probably the most trash one. And then they put it all red on the 12, man. Like, even with the deep blues, they kind of went too far with it. Me, I'm more like the OG color. I like the OG 12s, like the OG 11s. When we start throwing on different colors, like the platinum 11s, like, I'm not gonna have that shoe in my collection at all. Only way I get that shoe is if I hoop in them, and I don't even hoop in 11s, I hoop in my 10s, so, you know what I'm saying, those can stay in the store. But like I said, if somebody gifts them to me, I'll wear them, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not just gonna spend my money on some shoes that I really don't like, you feel me? Buy what you like, don't buy what everybody else like, you feel me? So, with all that being said, man, let me know in the comment section below how you feel about the past Black Friday releases. Is Jordan Brand doing the right thing, or they're going in the wrong direction? Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little rant. I hope y'all enjoyed me hating on this Air Jordan 12 Gym Reds. I hope I get some of you guys' opinions about this shoe in the comment section below. If you don't mind, share the video with your friends. Let them know about the channel and let them know about these Air Jordan 12 Gym Reds for this Black Friday release. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow my Instagram. The links will always be in the description box below. Hit the notification bell for your boy. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. I got a pickup. Hopefully it's coming this week. If not, you'll see it definitely next week, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.